I wake up every day doing the same thing, wasting everything. I'm just not thinking, not conscious of my acts. But no one tells me, so I keep wasting. And nobody cares what I'm doing. What am I doing? Everywhere I go, not feeling different. I am like others, I just do what I want. I just think about me and forget all the rest. Without noticing, I'm destroying the world. What am I doing? Am I gonna stop? What am I doing? What is it gonna take to make me understand? Something must be done before it's too late. What can I do to make me? How can I change? Now it's too late. Everything I need is right in front of me. I don't need to suffer to get what I want. I never thought that if I overuse these things,